dx. This was the dx here. Dx by dt is what v. Dx by dt is what will become v. Dq by dt is what? The current. I'll differentiate this. So many things are there which will be just covered here only. Now this will become expression for current. F naught it is. So look at this expression for the graph. So many problems are there. All are related to the graph will be straight line. You have these questions in books here. Where how to show current? Current, will it change direction? Because it all depends upon velocity here. Now, if you're moving the slab like this. Okay, it'll come this one. Once it fully between the plates, okay. Then afterwards, it will start moving out. No, as it starts moving out, the charge will decrease. So the current will happen as the plate moves from left to right, and anything will happen to charge. First, the amount of charge will increase, becomes when the slab is fully between the, I have here, no, I'll show it. No. Oh, it's not moving. Only slab I should, yeah. Now, as the slab moves, the charge on capacitor will increase. Now charge on capacitor is maximum. So then again, it starts coming out of between plates, no? I'm moving it. Then charge on capacitor decrease. Then our current will flow in opposite. Hope you are able to. Okay, this is the expression for current here. Now have few more problems related to this. Let's go for that. We'll discuss few more better problems. It's coming in every page. Oh, this is coming up. Let me take the same diagram. Will be lengthy.